Hello, 5 new One Piece Bounty Rush redeem codes. And this are 100% working, so make sure you follow this video till the end. So currently there are no active redeem codes available for One Piece Bounty Rush. Various sources confirm that the game has not introduced any redeem codes unfortunately, and redemption centers for players to utilize. This means players cannot redeem codes for rewards at this time. Right, but how you can stay updated? To keep informed about any future redeem code or update, players are encouraged to follow the official social media account of One Piece Bounty Rush on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Discord. The channels are likely to announce any new codes or features as they become available. While waiting for redeem codes, players can focus on other methods to earn resources in the game, and completely daily missions engaging in daily tasks can yield valuable rewards. Uh, Competing in rank matches can help players earn high rewards based on their performance. You can also join special events. So, for now, players should rely on these methods to progress into the game while remaining vigilant for any announcement regarding redeem codes in the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.